We are Sai Service, where after-sales service reigns supreme. 39 years ago, we embarked on a journey with our esteemed partner, Maruti Suzuki, with a mission to become the trusted companion for every car owner. Today, we have expanded our footprint across Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, Goa, Telangana and Kerala with a network of 77 showrooms, 72 service workshops, and 51 body paint shops nationwide. Serving 7,85,000 customers, our dedication to excellence has earned us accolades, including the highest sales award in the country. But just don't take our word for it. Here is what our valued customers have to say about their Sai Service experience.
My name is Vijayakumar Kairikorimbil, and I'm the proud owner of a Swift Maruti, which I purchased today. And I'm very happy with the experience that I've had in Sai Service Center in Jarnat.
My name is Natarajan Narayanaswamy. I purchased Bolero from Nexa. The service is very good and all the customer service is very, very good.
Expressing gratitude to all our customers for their trust and confidence in making us achieve the #1 authorized dealership in India. At Sai Service, we don't just sell cars, we build relationships. Experience the difference today.